So your user ID 3102DST, that is the address of the school, and the password is Bearcat. This is going to take you to a screen where you're going to choose which service you want to use. In this case, we're going to use the Ebsco host research database. It is the most thorough of what we have. And from here you get to choose which databases you want to search. You basically just want to click all of them and hit continue. This takes you to the search page. From here you can do anything about your topic, and I'm going to give you the sample topic today about global warming. So I will type in global warming as my topic, and this is going to bring back a total of 5,472 sources. You can see that on the left hand side. That is way too many sources for you to begin to go through. So what we're going to do now is we're going to learn how to narrow down our research. I had global warming initially. I'm going to add in global warming effects and see what that gets us. We are now down to just over 1,000 sources to go from. Now that's still a bit much, so we're going to have to narrow it down some more. I'm going to narrow it down to say United States. And now we're down to 250 articles. Now that's still a lot, and depending on your article or your topic, you may only have 10, you may have 250. It really just depends on how popular your topic is and how much research there is out there on your topic. After you've gotten this far though, you can begin to start looking at the articles that have been given to you. So I'm going to kind of show you how the articles are set up here so you can begin to pour through them. I'm just going to click here on the very first one. Now this is a page that gives you information about the article. And what you're looking for is what's called the abstract. The abstract is this thing right here that I'm highlighting. An abstract is a overview of what the article is about. It's a quick summary. And what you want to do is you want to read the abstract so that you know what the article is about. This is going to tell you if the article is helpful or not for you. If the article is going to be helpful, then you want to go ahead and read the article. If the article is not helpful, you just go back to your search criteria and read the next article. Now in the case of this article, you have two options. Down below is the article itself in the actual web page, or you have the option of downloading the article as a PDF. So over on the left hand side, it's going to tell you your options for how you can get the article. This one has HTML, which is the web page, or it has PDF. Let's take a look at the next one on our list, just to show you the difference. So again, I'm going to go down, find the abstract. Here it is. I'm going to highlight it for you. You would read through the abstract, decide if this article is good or not. Now this one does not have the article itself in the web page, but it does have the PDF. And so from here, you would be able to click the PDF, and it's going to download it for you into the page, and you could read the article and then print from here. Let's go back, and now I'm looking again at my original search. Now there's one more thing I want to show you real quick. I have to jump to page 4 to do it though. Way down on my sources. I'm going down here to a source. I want to show you this because this source, after I've looked at it, I have this nice long abstract that I can read. Now this source, unfortunately, does not have any part of the article here down below, nor does it have the PDF. You see over here in the detailed record, it has nothing. This article does not have anything accessible. Aha, but it does. You look down below, there's another thing called availability. And the availability, in the case of this article, is a hyperlink to another place. This one is a different database. I click on that, then, hey, check it out, here is your article. And you can print it from there. So just because it's not showing on the page that it exists, that doesn't mean you can't still get it. And of course, you can always talk to your English teacher about finding it. Sometimes you can find the article you're looking for by Google searching it and then finding a PDF that way. And then you know the article is a good article because you found it in Ebsco. You just happen to find the printable version using Google, and that's perfectly acceptable. So this is how to use Ebsco. It should be a good place for you to do all your research.